So in this, we just discuss about formatting. Before we start text formatting, first we should understand what is formatting. Formatting in Excel means changing the appearance in text data. Not text, it can be text, it can be number, it can be data also. Okay. So you can say that changing the appearance of data, how it looks without changing its value. Why formatting helps you? It is easy to read. Okay. It looks professional and is meaningful. Now, there are different types of formatting. For example, font formatting, changing the font style, size, color, make text bold, sorry, italic, and underline. So it is called font formatting, and already we do practically. Next is number formatting, means making number as currency, either dollar or rupee, percentage, date time, decimal places. Example, see 1,000. I want to make it. I want to format this normal 1,000 to using this currency. I want to format. For example, 0.5. I want to add this percentage, and this is called number formatting. All this we discuss coming. Not only this, we have alignment formatting. Make the text left aligned, center aligned, right. Wrapping text and merge and send. Okay. Not only this, we have border filling, add borders to tables, highlight cell with colors. Why formatting is important? Makes reports professional, helps in data analysis, improves usage clarity, useful for dashboards and presentation. Okay. See, important concept you should know that formatting doesn't change the actual value in Excel. See, cell shows 1,000, rupee symbol, but internally Excel stores as 1,000. Internally it shows 1,000, but externally we have the symbol called distribution. Now we'll start with what text formatting or formatting. Okay. What we'll do, we'll change the size, font style, size, color, make text more italic and underline. So first what we'll do, we'll go here, text formatting or font formatting controls how data looks in a set. Font size, color alignment, borders, and more. It doesn't change the underlying value, only the presentation. See, the left hand side is what? This left hand side is with the data without formatting. See the difference between formatting. See, this is without formatting. Sales report Q1 North India 4,500 over 2. This is without formatting. See here, now we formatted the data. See, we have this color, background color is blue, and it is in center. This text is in center, and is in white color, it's in bold. And see here, this North India, it's in bold. Okay, and this right align. This is left align. This amount is right align, and the currency symbol is there, rupee. And overdue on the left hand side, left align, it's in red color. How it came? By using formatting concepts. So notice how left has raw. This is raw data. This is raw data, and this is formatted data. Notice how the left side has raw unstyled data, all the same size with no visual hierarchy. Hard to read. The right side has exact same data, but with blue border, bold labels, right aligned numbers, and red overdue highlight. The data to change only the formatting. Okay, that is the advantage of formatting the data. So, what is font formatting? Font formatting means changing how text looks inside cell. Type, size, color, bold, italic, underline. Okay, so font style, font size, font color, you can change to bold, italic, underline. Why font formatting is important? Salary reports, highlight important numbers, dashboards, making headings stand out, data cleaning, improve readability. Without formatting, data looks messy. With formatting, looks professional. So what do you do? Let me go to Excel here, and I'll type some data here. I'll put some data and we'll do formatting. For example, just give me a minute. Right. So here, for example, sales. For example, number format we discuss later. See here, sales. I have to make it bold. See, I format to bold. So this is bold, this is italic, this is underline. Okay. Now I can change this font type or font style to some Algerian, some same like MS. Okay, I can change the font size to 14, same like MS4. I can change the font color. I can change the background color. So this is called formatting. Okay, text formatting. Right now we can mix here. Now what we do, we'll discuss about, for example, this is Excel, for example, Excel. Okay. See, by default, it is a left align. Now we'll discuss about alignment formatting. Okay. This Excel is in left by default, it will be left align. Now I want to make it center. See, it came in center. I want to make it a right align. Okay. This is called alignments. Left align, center align, right align. Okay. For example, see, Excel is type with Excel is popular. Be popular, for example. See, it is not coming exactly in the cell. Okay, and I want to grab this text. I want to grab this text. See, here there's one grab text here, option here. Click on this. See, here Excel is popular coming in the same one cell. Right. For example, I want to merge cells. See, A1, B1, C1, D1. How many cells are there? There are four cells: A1, B1, C1, and D1. So I want to merge and say, I want to make the text as center. So here there's one option called in alignment tab. There's merge and center. Combine and center the contents, the selected cells in a large cell. So now it becomes the four cells become one cell. And here I want to, for example, I'll say here, for example, cell. See it? Now exactly center. Okay, can make it bold, I can make it underline. So this is called alignment formatting. This is called alignment formatting. So you'll see left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, graphics, orientation. Orientation. Okay. Right, just center, text orientation, vertical text, standard text. Okay. This is done. Okay. So next video session we'll discuss about number formatting and also we'll discuss about date formatting. So